Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Rise to the challenge in style in this handsome Pathfinder. This 3-row SUV offers standard driver assist safety features, impressive towing ability, thoughtful family-focused amenities, and a smooth, quiet ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat, power liftgate, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps. Capability intersects with comfort in this well-equipped Pathfinder. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.